चलिए रेडी। ये PLJR का है, टोटल वर्ड 600 के करीब में है। वेन्यू बी विजुअल कंप्यूटर नियर इंस्टीट्यूट मुसलमपुर हाट पटना बाई MD सदाम। मोबाइल नंबर 9507142555। ऑडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और बेल बटन जरूर दबा दें। सदाम स्टेनो के नाम से हम यूट्यूब, गूगल, क्रोम किसी भी सर्च मार सकते हैं। सदाम स्टेनो लीगल डिक्टेशन मिल जाएगा आपको। चलिए रेडी, स्टार्ट। The present intra-court appeal is against the judgment and order dated 20th of April, 2010, passed by a learned single judge of this court in CWJC number 7569 of 1999, whereby the writ petitioners / appellants challenge to the agriculture land sealing proceedings and the orders passed therein by the authorities thereunder, were not interfered by the writ court except granting the writ petitioners opportunity to exercise their right of opinion and option under section 9 of the Bihar Land Reforms (fixation of ceiling area and acquisition of surplus land) Act, 1961 for variety, the Act, full stop. It appears that an agricultural land sealing proceeding case number 95 of 1975 to 1976 was started by the additional collector, Munger, against the writ petitioners, appellants under the provisions of the Act, full stop. As is usual, the proceeding prolonged, full stop. Draft publication having been made in terms of section 10 of the Act, full stop. The objections were invited. Various objections were taken by the writ petitioners, appellants, significant being that at the time and in the lifetime of their father, prior to this agricultural land sealing enactment, in the year 1947, there had been a partition in the family through court in which lands were allotted to lady members in the family, full stop. Thereafter, the father gifted certain lands by registered deeds to his grandsons, full stop. Various claims were made as per the law then existing, full stop. It may be noticed here that in 1970, the Sealing Act underwent drastic changes, full stop. From the concept of individual landholders, it now become family as a unit, full stop. Petitioners, appellants had a right to make certain claims as per entitlement under sections 4 and 6 of the Act, full stop. The matter was finally adjudicated and final orders were passed by the additional collector on 8/11/1989, accepting certain points and not agreeing with other points, and, substantial agricultural lands were declared surplus, full stop. It appears that thereafter, on 16/11/1989, notification under section 11 (1) of the Act was issued, and presumably section 15 modifications and notifications also issued thereafter, full stop. Being aggrieved by the order dated 8/11/1989, as passed by the additional collector, petitioners, appellants filed appeal number 68 of 1982 to 1983 before the district collector Munger, which was dismissed by order dated 3/9/1984, full stop. Being aggrieved by the appellate order, a revision, as prescribed under section 32, was filed before the Board of Revenue, which was registered as revision case number 29 of 1985, full stop. The learned member, Board of Revenue, set aside the orders and by his order dated 15/4/1986, remanded the matter to the first court, that is the additional collector, for redetermination, full stop. Thereafter, on 19/3/1988, the additional collector redetermined the matter upon remand, giving certain reliefs, but not all the reliefs, as sought for by the writ petitioners, appellants, full stop. Being aggrieved by this order, as passed by the additional collector on 19/3/1988, an appeal was filed, being appeal number 2 of 1982, before the district collector, Munger, which was dismissed on 21/1997, full stop. Against being aggrieved, a revision was filed, being revision case number 63 of 1997, before the Board of Revenue, which was heard and dismissed on 17/5/1999, full stop. Challenging that order, the writ petition was filed, being CWJC number 7569 of 1999, which was dismissed on 20/4/1999, with a liberty granted to the writ petitioners to exercise fresh option with regard to retaining agricultural land in their holding, full stop. Being aggrieved by the said judgment and order of the writ court, this intra-court appeal has been filed, full stop. इसको ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कीजिए, इसको मिला देंगे हम। डेली 3 ट्रांसक्रिप्शन देते हैं सदाम स्टेनो के नाम से। सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिएगा। थैंक यू। चलिए रेडी।